afternoon, Ramesh ji, and welcome to the Retail Jeweler YouTube channel. So, GJPC is organizing the IIHS virtual, रमेश जी, जैसा आपको पता है, अक्टूबर 12 से 16 तारीख तक. तो आपको क्या लगता है ये IIHS virtual जो फॉर्मेट है और ये जो इंटायर वर्चुअल फॉर्मेट है ये कैसा रहेगा?
देखिए, ये तो एक नीड ऑफ द आवर तो है ही, but I see that the corona is the biggest accident which has happened during our lifetime and our generation, or the millennials, or so whosoever. But if you see in the history, the most of the inventions have happened by accident only, whether it's an X-ray or whether it's A or B or C, or if you go back, you will see that most of the important inventions in the history has happened by accident. And how I see is that this corona is also an accident, and lots of new things are coming out of it, and this virtual IIHS virtual is one of them. That's how I see it. I mean, in today's time, when everything is getting digital and everything is getting online, so this was actually due, but it was not happening. Like, it's very nice that IIHS has come out with this virtual exhibition, and I think it's going to be very successful. It's need of the hour, and it's not just that it's going to be here for corona. I mean, the corona is not going anywhere, and so is the virtual exhibition. Even after the things get normalized, and which I want, that the normal IIHS should also happen like before. But let me tell you, what I feel is that the virtual IIHS is also going to sail along with the original one for a long time. There will be a time that people will prefer this platform than the physically going and doing things. Now that may take a decade or so, but yes, it's going to happen. You will see this.
Great. Yes, I think that is the reality now of our world, this COVID world which we are now living in. Mm-hmm. So, for the virtual platform, when your buying team goes and enters the entire IIHS virtual platform, what kind of jewelry will they be looking at? And are there any trends, new trends which you're seeing, which you will expect to see at IIHS virtual?
See, the last purchases or the last order that we gave was in the last exhibition, Signature. And that also, we received something like 40% of it. Because after that, then this corona thing happened. And so it's not only me. I mean, I think everybody else has lots of blanks to fill in. Fortunately, I mean, the corona has not hit us that bad. So there are weddings going on. There is a demand. August was very good. And September was okay. But I think these coming October, November and December are going to be good till the December 15th, because the wedding is there till the last, in the mid of, till the mid of December. So a lot of people are going to buy, last moment buying they're going to do. And then there's going to be a little lull for a month or so, and then again there are lots of wedding in the month of April. So for that, people start buying in the February and March, and then April, May, June there are lots of weddings, and lots of weddings are being postponed also. There are people who are doing their weddings in November and December, but there are many who doesn't want to do it now, so they still want to wait. So they will go and do it in the April, May and June. So the season is going to be good. I don't see any problem. I mean, there is a good footfall, and but the customers that we are getting are only wedding oriented. So that's what I am looking at right now when I go into the virtual exhibition. So I'll be looking for lots of wedding jewelry. But starting from the nose pin to the wedding jewelry. So I want to fill in lots of blanks. I mean, there are lots of things which are missing in the stock. As I said that from past many months, we have not bought anything.
No, you will be very happy, because there are almost 335 exhibitors with more than 135,000 designs. And we have 5 halls in IHS Virtual. We are also getting the same feedback from not only India, but globally. People from many countries are now saying that this is a fantastic initiative by India and GJPC. And we sitting at New Zealand or maybe far corner of Europe can see the jewelry from US, and be talking to the vendor in a very well attended manner and order jewelry and buy jewelry.
So, the business is going to increase only. If you see, there were not many people who were attending from all over the world, whereas IHS has a very good reputation. Everybody knew it's a very successful exhibition and people wanted to come. But due to some reasons, we were not getting lots of international buyers or lots of, NRIs. But now on this platform, there is no limit. So the business is also going to increase.
And finally, Rameshji, we didn't have a very good first 3-4 months of this financial year. What will be your advice to the retail jewelers of India on how they should look at the next 6 months? What should they do? And do you think that it will make up for the full year's financials?
As I told you earlier, I think I gave the answer for that, because things are not looking that bad. First of all, that's a good news. And secondly, the August was very encouraging. August was very good. So, and there are lots of weddings, as I said. I don't see any problem. And I can't say that, yes, everybody will be able to match to their last year's turnover. No, I can't say that confidently. But yes, earlier we were thinking, when we were in the lockdown, we were thinking that this year if we'll do 30% of the last year, we'll be happy. Yes. But now what I say that we are going to do at least 80%. Okay. So that also, very humbling. Yeah. So there is nothing to worry. There's nothing to panic as what I see. Things are looking right.
Finally, one more thing, congratulations on your upcoming launch of e-commerce tomorrow. So can you share a little bit as a sneak peek before that on how is it looking, and how do you see this entire e-commerce business of yours going forward?
Thank you very much. Yeah, this project was very close to my heart from the very beginning. I wanted to do this from past 7-8 years actually. But then something or the other was happening, and I was very busy. So then, ultimately I asked my son, I said, you just take this and move it forward, and I want this thing to get it done. So, but now, as I said, that the corona is like a boom for some people in a way that, they have been able to do lots of things during the lockdown. And the same thing happened with us. So my younger son is also now back from the college. He's finished his studies. So he, along with my elder son, both Rohan and Arman, and with their team during the lockdown, they just worked on this e-commerce thing. And I'm very happy to announce that we are very soon launching it. And it has come out very well. And they have given a lot of, they have done very hard work for that. And have finished within 3 months' time, and it's looking very good.
Congratulations again, and thank you very much for your time, and all the best for the Diwali and the wedding season, Rameshji. And we look forward to seeing you at IHS Virtual, and we'll see you there.
Thank you so much. It was really nice talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you.